Assalamu alaikum dear students. My name is Muhammad Asif, and in this video lecture series we are learning about the visual programming. Students, this is week number 9 and lecture number 14. In our previous lecture we have learned few topics in which include the polymorphism and the types of polymorphism, that is static binding and dynamic binding. Inshallah, in today's lecture we will be learning about the seal classes in C Sharp. Then first we will be learning about the syntax, and then we'll solve the programming example within the lab class. We will be also learning about the exceptions in C Sharp, that what is exception, and first we will be learning about the syntax, and inshallah in our lab class we will be solving few programming example on the exceptions. So now let's see and start our today's topic. So student, what is a seal class in C Sharp? As you can see, we have already started about the object oriented programming within the C Sharp. And if you can see what is seal, seal is a type of class where you cannot inherit it within the second class. So let's see, we will be discussing about more about this class, but let's see. Seal classes are used to restrict the user from the inheriting the class. A class can be sealed by using the keyword sealed. The keyword tells the compiler that the class is sealed and therefore cannot be extended. So it is a kind of a class where we cannot, or you can say the programmer cannot be inherited, the seal class. Yes, this class can be used as a child class, but this class cannot be used as a parent class. No class can be derived from the seal class. Seal class can be used as a child class but cannot be used as a parent class, as I already informed you about that a class can be used as a child class but it cannot be used as a parent class. Now let's see the syntax of the seal class. So this is the syntax. As you can see, first we have written the keyword sealed, then space, the keyword class and the class name, and the data members and the member functions of the seal class. So we have a proper body of this seal class and having members like a data members and a member functions, and it behave like a simple class when it use it a separate class. But whenever you want to be used as a inherited within the child class, so this class will never be inherited within the child class, or you can say it, we cannot inherit this class. Yes, we can create the object of the seal class, we can call the data members and the member function, but again we cannot use as a parent class. We will always be use it as a child class if necessary. So why seal classes? If there are some instruction, seal classes are used to stop a class to be inherited. You cannot derive or extend any class from it. Seal method is implemented so that no other class can overthrow it and implement its own method. So simple. It can be not used as a parent class. You cannot inherit this class. Main purpose of the seal class is to withdraw the inheritance attribute from the user, from the programmer, so that they cannot attain a class from a seal class. Seal classes are used best when you have a class with a static members. This is a type of class where you do not share this class with any other class, or you can say it within the other child class. As you can see, seal class are best used when you have a class with a static members. So now let's see and solve the programming example that how seal class works and how we will be achieving the seal class and implementing within the C#. So now let's see. Okay students, let's start and implement about the seal class. Seal class. Let me include the keyword sealed, and you can say the space, then the keyword class and the name of the seal class. And you can see I am just declaring the integer data type of, let's say, x, and declaring a member function, let's say having return type nothing, and a class function name is ftn, and within this class I'm just printing a simple message, console.writeLine welcome to the sealed class function. So we have just created the seal class having keyword sealed, and the class name is program, let's say, and data member having x integer type, and then the define a method having no return type, and a function name is ftn, and just printed a simple message, welcome to the seal class function. Now let's see, access these members. First create the object. Let's first create the object of the seal class, that is program. OB is equal to assignment operator, then the program. So we have just created the object of the seal class, so we can create the object of the seal class. So ob.ftn. Now we are accessing the data member, the semicolon, and then let me add one more line, console.read key. Okay, so we have just created the object of the seal class and invoke the ftn function with the help of seal class object. So now let's see. As you can see, welcome to the seal class. It means we can use the seal class, we can create the object, we can use the data and member function of the seal class. But now let's see, let's end the body of the seal class and start a new class having name, let's say, a child, and inherit the seal class, that is program. As you can see, within the IntelliSense there is no program. It means we cannot inherit the seal class. Let me write by force program. So as you can see, and let's create the object of the child class. Let me create the object of the child class and try to call the seal members with the help of child object. So we have just created a child object and start to call the function ftn, which is a member of a seal class. So you can see there is an error shown, and let's see what is the error. The error is seal class cannot derive from the seal type. So students, as you can see, we can inherit the seal class, but the compiler doesn't allow us to inherit this class. So now let's see. Let me comment all this code, and let's see, use this seal class as a child class, parent, and let's see, within the parent class we are defining a constructor member. So parent having no return type, and just print a simple message console.writeLine, just to show you that we can use the seal class as a child class. So welcome to the parent class constructor function, and let's inherit the parent class, that is parent, and create the seal class, mean the child class object. So we have already created the child class object, and okay, so we have just created the child class object, and then call the, with the help of OB object, a function of the seal class, and you can see we have a constructor class, parent and parent. The class name and the function name is same, so it means this is the by default constructor, so it will call automatically. You can see welcome to the parent class. So first the constructor function is called from the parent class, and then we have called the seal class. So student, this is all about the seal class. If you have any problem regarding the seal class, you may ask me on my official email address, that is asif@northern.edu.pk. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.